Welcome. Today we're diving into project-oriented organizations, what they are, their advantages and disadvantages, and a real-world example that brings it all together. Let's get started. A project-oriented organization is one where work is structured around individual projects rather than ongoing departmental functions. Teams are assembled specifically for each project with clear start and end dates. This structure allows organizations to focus on delivering specific outcomes quickly. Let's look at some key advantages: flexibility and agility. Projects can be adapted quickly to meet changing needs. Clear focus and accountability. Each project has a dedicated team with clear goals and deadlines. Enhanced innovation. Teams often work cross-functionally, encouraging creative problem-solving. Efficient resource allocation. Resources are assigned specifically to projects, reducing bureaucratic delays. But there are also some downsides. Lack of long-term continuity. Teams disband after projects end, which might affect organizational memory. Potential for resource duplication. Multiple projects may use similar resources separately, leading to inefficiencies. Communication challenges. With teams constantly changing, knowledge sharing across projects can be more difficult. Short-term focus. The emphasis on immediate project results might overlook long-term strategic planning. Consider the construction industry. Companies like Bechtel organize work on a project basis. Each construction project, whether it's a bridge, a power plant, or a skyscraper, is handled by a dedicated project team. These teams include architects, engineers, and construction managers who work together until the project is completed. Once the project is done, the team dissolves and new teams form for new projects. This approach allows Bechtel to adapt to unique challenges on each site and deliver specialized solutions quickly. To summarize, project-oriented organizations are designed around temporary project teams with the flexibility to adapt and innovate. They offer clear focus and efficient resource allocation, but can face challenges like reduced continuity and potential communication issues. As we saw in the construction industry, this model works well when each project requires specialized, dedicated effort.